Why buy when you can make with this chocolate hobnob at home? You can also make the cookies one big size.
A year ago, we found out how expensive these cookies were at the supermarket. That started us on this journey to make our own McVitie's hobnobs at home. Using hand is the best method to form a perfect homemade hobnobs cookie. We will show you why in this video. Let's start by making the hobnobs dough. You will need 150 grams unsalted butter, 80 grams brown sugar. Make sure the butter is softened before mixing. This is what happened to us because we were too impatient. The sugar went flying. We had to clean up and start again, this time with a softened butter. This recipe will produce 18 large cookies about 9 cm in diameter. Take note, making them this size will give you a storing issue. You can find the ingredient list in the description box below. 2 tablespoons golden syrup. Golden syrup is key in giving the cookies that hoppy knobby flavor. You cannot replace this unique fragrance with honey. Mix in the golden syrup with the buttercream until well combined. Now it's time to add in the dry ingredient. 100 gram multi-purpose flour, half a teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda. We like to sieve out our baking agent to ensure no lumps. Half a teaspoon salt. Mix the dry ingredient together. Add the dry ingredient into the buttercream, including 100 grams instant oats. Leave a comment below on the type of oats you are using. When the dough is thoroughly mixed, cover the bowl with plastic film. Let the dough chill for 1 hour or longer in the refrigerator. Scoop a spoonful of the chilled dough and make them into the size of a ping pong ball. You can make them smaller if you like. In our first video, we used a glass to flatten our cookie dough. Check out that video if you want to watch. We found using hand is a better method because the cookie edges are more smoothly formed and not lacy. Keep an eye on the cookies while they are baking. They burn easily. While our cookies are baking, let's prepare the chocolate topping. Melt the chocolate with 1 tablespoon of oil. The oil will keep the chocolate from drying out and gives it a softer texture. This is our complete baked cookies. Take note, the cookies must be dark brown. Light brown means it is not thoroughly dry out and it can turn stale after you have added the chocolate topping. Use a brush and brush the chocolate on top of the cookie. Let the chocolate dry out for 30 minutes. Store the cookies in tight container. Subscribe to our channel.
See you next week.
Thanks for watching.